Are you facing a Google account login problem on your phone? If yes, type yes in the comment and watch this video till the end. I will show you exactly how to fix it. First, open your Gmail app and try sign in. As you can see, the login issue appears. It says couldn't sign in. Now let's fix this step by step. Go to your phone settings, scroll down and tap on apps. Find and open Google Play service. Now tap on storage, then tap clear data. This will remove temporary data connect to Google service. Now go back and open the Google app. Again tap on storage and then clear data. Once that done, open the Gmail app again. Tap on your profile icon, then tap add another account. Now try sign in again, and as you can see, the could not sign in error is gone. That's it. Your Google account login problem is now fixed. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more useful and simple tech fix. Thanks for watching.